What is cracking, YouTube family? Welcome to the vlog and welcome to this new chapter. Last Friday I officially had what was my last day in the office, and today, Monday, we are full-time with Rush Athletics, with you guys, with the camera, with just everything along with the brand, the business. We're gonna keep the day moving, but listen, sit back, relax, get used to this, guys. We're gonna have workouts, we're gonna have tutorials, we're gonna have vlogs, day in the life, lifestyle, really just new and fresh ideas. And I'm super gassed, I'm super excited for what's about to come for this channel, and I hope you guys are as well. Look who we got here, the infamous Cash Athletics. Cash is still chilling here, look, he's looking for his food. Gigi needs to feed you. Gigi and I are gonna pick up some breakfast, Costa, and I've got something to show you. Right, so what I'm doing today is actually, I've got this new MacBook Pro. It looks kind of like just fresh basically. But it's 2015, it's actually second-hand model that I got from eBay. But it's super fast, super quick. It's got 16GB of RAM and all this kind of stuff. So I'm not really that techie, but I needed this because we're gonna go on a trip, like a kind of family holiday to Kenya, actually this Thursday. So my dad, who grew up in Kenya, big up all my Kenyan crew out there. So he's basically just surprised us and taken the whole family there. We're gonna spend a couple of weeks safari, like doing some tours. And I needed this bad boy to make sure that we can record, get videos out, and yeah, I needed a really good, powerful laptop, to be honest. I'll set the laptop up, have some breakfast, get some ideas, get a game plan, and then we're going back home to get some admin and orders and just the usual stuff. Cats are us. Cats protection. Apparently cat protection I've been called round. Cat agency. And they're gonna basically pick up Cash tomorrow, so Gigi's a little bit upset. Don't be upset, babe. Yeah, so we're gonna go see him now, chill with him for a bit. Yo, so back at the HQ. I'm gonna take you through kind of what goes on, I guess, in the first day of being in a non-office job, which is just crazy. Like, thinking about it still just kind of just boggles my mind, like how we got to this point. 3 years in the making, 3 years since Rush Athletics first started. It's just so much to do. I've got, just when I think about it, like my mind is just ticking constantly. So yeah, I really need to get some structure in my days. I need to plan out what I need to do and then put it down on paper. I'm really bad at admin, so we're gonna do that now, and yeah. Gigi getting busy. Time to work. You got this guy. Oh man, it's gonna be sad to see you go, bro. Do you wanna stay? You wanna stay with us? Maybe we should keep him, babe. He's a good cat, you know.
He's a good cat. Oh my god.
Look at this.
Yuck! Don't film that.
The foxes. Wherever you at, foxes, are coming for you. Wherever you are. October, it's normally kind of windy, rainy, grey. I don't want to jinx it, but the week has started off really cool. Like, it's not even that cold, and it's just a positive feeling. It's a positive and weird feeling. Like, I just feel like I got a little bit too much time on my hands as well. At the same time, I've got so much shit to do. Right, so I'm upstairs now in my office. I've got to get through this box. I need to count up all the ropes that are in this box, just double check them, and then I'm sending it to Amazon UK. So the deal is, we've been selling out quite hard on Amazon UK recently, because what they actually do is that they, from this warehouse here in the UK, they will ship to all the Amazon Europe, so France, Germany, Spain, Italy. We've got accounts there as well. So that's what's so cool about Amazon, is that you could just ship to one warehouse and they'll just like shoot it across to multiple countries. Hopefully one day I'm gonna have enough helpers to do this kind of stuff for me, but I kind of enjoy it, to be honest with you. Stop pulling me up. You're killing this clip. Hopefully that's straight. One thing that got me thinking as well, whilst I was kind of counting my ropes just now, is about structure. And you know, I don't want this channel to kind of go all over the place with different kinds of videos that don't really make sense, but I do love the business side of it. I do love showing the behind the scenes, like I mentioned before, but I'll never forget the tutorials. I'll never forget why people came to this channel in the first place. So we're always going to be doing the tutorials, and now I have so much more time to get through the list that I've got, a massive list. I've also got a new series based around transitions and combinations, and I'm going to take you guys through kind of jump by jump kind of transitions, and like it'll be a new style of tutorial that no one's really ever seen before. So that's on the horizon. Then we've also got obviously the business stuff. We've also got workouts and Q&As and kind of podcast type of videos where I interview people. I've got so much in my head right now. I just need to get it down on paper. But rest assured, guys, like today was just about recording. It was just about getting it down on film. What was going on? Never in a million years, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago when we started this brand, like never in a million years would I think that I would quit, leave or whatever my day job, my main earner, to go out and do this full time. So it's just a blessing, and I've just it's just strange. It's just a really strange feeling, to be honest with you, like to be here during the day and actually get this stuff done, and like madness. Yes, guys. What up? It is Tuesday. I can't explain to you just how beautiful the day is today. Look, the sun is just... I'm baking. To be honest, I put this jumper on and it is some new merch as well. We'll get to that. But it is baking today. It's October. I can't believe it. You can basically see... You can see what my tripod is for the morning. We keep it real. Right, so new sample here, guys. I'm loving it. I'm actually loving it. I'm not just saying that. But this is just a sample at the moment. So I've got a few more tweaks to make. I'm going to take in sort of the material a little bit in here, taper it a little bit up here, and also just kind of make it a little bit tighter around the arms so it gives a bit more definition to your arms. But I do like the sort of looser feeling of it. Normally most of our clothing is a little bit fitted. It's got an athletic shape. This is just more kind of for comfort. And just lounging as well, I would say. Just feels super nice, like the material is really nice. And for England as well, it's going to get really cold. So wherever you are in the world, this is going to be just super cool if it's like a little bit cooler or breezier, and just a little bit colder in the evenings. So let me know what you guys think of this. Got the printing here across the chest, and it's the first kind of Rush Athletics garment that I'm making. So one that actually says Rush Athletics kind of on it quite visibly. We do have the printing on the back of the neck. So I've got some printing on the back of the neck, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm actually going to remove that printing here, simply because it doesn't really line up and match up properly. And then also going to get some logos on the sleeve, maybe like a yellow label kind of to go with our theme. So just got to do those kind of little bits and pieces, get in touch with the manufacturers, let them know what the tweaks and the changes are, and got to do that today basically. Right, picked up some new gear for kind of recording, filming. First thing I picked up was this Boya kind of wireless transmitter microphone thing. I'm really bad when it comes to kind of technical stuff, but like I really want to buy this and try these out. I've got a pack of 2, but it gives me that kind of long distance dynamic kind of range where I can give you guys some better sound quality. What else have I got? Actually, I forgot what all this stuff is. Let me open this stuff now. So what did I get? First thing I got here. What is this? I don't know what this is. You know when you just like get a bit carried away sometimes on Amazon and end up... Oh right, cool, yeah, I remember this. I picked up an extra battery pack for this camera. So the battery life on the A6300 is, I would say, close to terrible. Recording in, I mean, to be fair, I'm recording in 4K now, so maybe that's why. But I literally get about 30 minutes on that battery. Not continuous recording, but stop-start. So I just picked up this RAV Power, I don't know if you can see it, RAV Power battery pack. Supposedly it's quite good. It gives you like a nice little power pack here. So that's good. This bad boy, new, it's making a mess. Don't know if you can see that. Neva tripod. Now this is supposed to be a travel tripod, so hence the case, so that's quite nice. I'm hoping it's going to be the one, because I'm not going to explain to you what tripod does, because obviously you should know. But what's great about it is the fact that you can actually do this. You can actually bend the plate. Don't know if you can see it. You can bend it down so the camera faces downwards. So I've got, oh, this is really nice. You've got really nice kind of grips here. This is a really good tripod. So the good thing about that is that when you're filming, let me just do it here like this. When you're filming something from above, you can set the tripod up and it will just sit like this. And yeah, it's just a neat way to film, and you should be able to get some epic kind of product shots, doing things with your hands and just showing things in close-up details. So it's just nice. So that was a quick little Amazon review, and I've just made a nice little mess here as well. That was so unnecessary, just like ripping everything open, just dashing it on the floor. Now I've just got to tidy this up. So here we are, just set the new tripod up. So that is what the setup is now looking like. And yeah, it's starting to take shape a little bit, this place. I think once I get the new paint on the... Shit. Gigi, where's Cash? Gigi's upset. Quick update on Cash Athletics. He was picked up today by the cat agency. The cat doctor. We're a little bit upset. Gigi's more upset than I am. So yeah, he's gone. So hopefully he's gonna have a better home, people to look after him, all that kind of stuff. Gigi's assistant for the day. What do you need, boss?
2 yellow ropes.
2 yellow ropes. Yellow. 2 yellow ropes for la señora. For la señora Gigi. ¿Algo más?
Yeah, like pack it.
Oh.
Like that and just...
Look at the speed at which this gazelle works. This is how G works. This way. Quick, come on. This is how G works. Look at these orders are serious. I'm impressed. Is this what you do every day?
Yeah.
My first official training day at the RAHQ packaging.
I don't think you're coming back tomorrow.
Gigi works too fast for me, man. Nice. Sick order there, Andri. I'm not really sure how to say your name, but that's a massive order. Thank you. Check out this bad boy. Look how big it looks there. Here it is. And we make it into that size. I've got to say, one of the best things that I think we've created for this brand has got to be the sleeve, or the kind of packaging for the Legacy jump rope. It just looks mad sick, right? You love my face. Gigi loves my face.
Love your face.
It was actually Gigi's idea to have my face on the packaging, so it's decent, man. It's so fresh, man. I love this.
Then you'll hit create label once more, and then that's when it generates the PDF. And you can either save the PDF, print the PDF, or like what have you, whatever you'd like to do with it.
Oh, that's today's orders going out. Do you like seeing me every day now? Gigi's mad happy. Oh shit, Gigi's mad happy. He dropped the camera. We're spending a bit of time, but to be honest with you, I'm sort of upstairs in the office. She's doing her thing here. Just had a quick conference call with the guys over at ShipStation, who are going to help me kind of maximize my efficiency there. So I'm going to maybe build in this kind of ShipStation thing into my packaging and order system, which will just help me get things out the door quickly, save her some time, save myself some time, and then I can sort of focus in front of the camera and yeah, doing what I need to do. So listen guys, I'm going to probably wrap up the vlog there. We had a couple of days of just doing work, really, a lot of admin. I wouldn't say nothing exciting again happened personally, but hope you guys enjoy what you're seeing, sort of the behind the scenes. One big thing that I haven't done so far is skipping. So the last couple of days I haven't even actually done any skipping, no jump roping, but I do have videos in line for the rest of rest of the my life now. Because give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you as always. And listen guys, stay legend, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.